Hi guys, and welcome to the second episode of this series where I test this automated trading. It's not an EA, it's actually a copy trading solution, and it's actually a team that trades for us. I will come into the details later, but in the first video I post, it was the first day, and I made this $1.42. I deposited $100 from the beginning, and since then it's been a week, give and take one day, and now I'm up in $8.93, so almost 9% in a week, which is pretty good. And as you can see, in this week I only made one loss. They have a really good and high win rate, and as you can see, you have two deposits here. It says 2,472 and 3,606, but I actually only deposit the first time $100, and then I deposited $150. So my total now is $250. But this is a kind of hybrid between normal trading and prop trading, and I will get into that more in detail in this video. So if you want to know more about this, follow this video and I will tell you all about it. Okay, before we proceed, I just want to say that this is not a financial advice. You have to do your own due diligence and check everything, and if you think it's okay, you can join. Otherwise, stay away. It's completely up to you. But anyway, to use this copy trading system or automated trading system, you need to open an account with a broker called Tag Markets. Tag Markets is a company or a broker that has its head office in Dubai. They have a license in Mauritius to provide this service. And what you need to do is you need to open an account with Tag Markets, and then they have a system called CopyX that we use to do the copy trading. And as I mentioned earlier, it's like a hybrid of, or you can actually use, you decide by yourself, but you can use like a hybrid of normal trading and prop trading. So what Tag Markets offers is something called Amplify. And when you use Amplify, you will get more funds from liquidity providers. So for instance, if you can choose 12x or 24x. So if you decide to, let's do it easy. If you decide to deposit $1,000 and you use the 12x, these liquidity providers will top up your trading account 12 times, so you would have 12,000 to trade with. And the same goes with the 24x. Of course, there is a catch to this, as in prop trading. In prop trading, you have different rules with Drawdown, and you have to, you can't trade overnight in different accounts, you can't trade news, etc., etc. In this case, the only rule they have is the drawdown limit. So if you use the 12x Amplify, you would have a maximum drawdown of 10%. If you use Amplify 24x, you would have a limit total drawdown of 5%. It is what it is, but if you use the copy trading system that this is, the drawdown is very, very, very low. I will show you their account on MyFXBook. So the copy system that we use is called Sonic AI, and that's actually real traders. I think there are 3 or 5 persons that sits and trade and have experience over 10 years of trading, and they only trade gold. So when they opened and started in November 24, since then they made 28.28% in profit. And what you need to know now, this 28.28% of profit is not with the amplifier account. So you have to multiply this with 12x or 24x to get your numbers if you use the amplify account. You don't need to use the amplify account. There's no, it's not a must to use it. But if the most interesting here then is, as we use the amplify account, if you do, you have this drawdown limit. But if you check here, since November 24 until today, the maximum drawdown Sonic AI has had is 0.86%. So that's pretty good. It's very, very low drawdown. It's almost insane low. And as I showed you here on my trading account, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades I have, and one of them is a loss. So the win rate is like 90%, and therefore the drawdown is pretty low. I heard that they have the most consecutive losses they had was 2 in a row. So 2 losses in a row is maximum they had since they started. Maybe we can check that in the history here. Let's see. So here we have 1 and 1 and 1. Then we have 2 in a row. So let's see if we can find more. Nothing there. No, not there. Okay, I won't go any further. You can check it out yourself. I can link to MyFXBook in the description of this video. So that's pretty amazing, I think. And so if you're interested in trying this out, do what I did. Start with $100 and try it out. And I do the 24x amplify, so that's why you can see there in my deposits that the first time I deposited, I think it was $103 dollars, and take that times 24, you have $2,400. And now today, I think it was, yes, I deposited 150.96 or something, and if you multiply that with 24, you can see that. So my trading account now is $6,086. So you see, it's kind of a prop firm hybrid. So if you're interested in testing this system, it's pretty easy to set it up. You just create an account with the link in my description on CTAG. And when you have done that, you deposit the amount you want to trade with. And then you go to the Xcopy platform. And here you can see different providers. So there's a provider hub, and they have different results, and you can check it out. But what we use, and I use them, is this Sonic. If you click here, you can go on details and you can see their equity curve. You can see everything about it. So what you do here is that you connect it, and then you connect it to your account. Very easy. And as you can see, there are almost 430,000 followers all over the world now. They've been trading for 220 days. They have the performance fee. Maybe I missed to say that, but it's a performance fee of 30%. And the minimum investment is $10. So, but you don't make any money with $10. So anyway, that's it. And then you connect it to your trading account with tag markets. Yeah, not much more to say about it in this video. If you're interested to try this out, click the link in the description to register and then do a deposit, connect it. Okay, this is it for this video. If you want to try it, check the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, just comment this video and I will answer it here. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel. So yeah, take it easy until the next video. Bye.